So this is network, our project 4, a social media platform where we can make posts and like them and view them. So let's create new post. Okay, so as we can see, the new post has appeared here by the user Nami, because we are logged in as Nami, and the other few posts are created by user Zoro. And this is the old post page also, where we can create new post. Let's like a post like this one, where when we click on the like button, the post count updates and the like button changes to no like button. If we click on the no like, we can dislike the post. Let's keep it as liked. Okay, since we created this post, we also get edit button where we can edit the post. Okay, now we can cancel our edit or save our edit. Let's save this time, and it saves the change. If we create another post like post 11, now there are 11 posts, so we can see there is a next button appeared on the page at the bottom. If we click on the button, the 11th post, like from the backwards, appears on the next page, and we get a previous button. If we click on the previous button, we come to the first page. And if we click on the user's username anywhere on the page, we can see its profile. Like if we click on Nami, we can see the username and how many followers it is and how many users are following Nami. So if we go to like Zoro's profile, if we get a follow button. If we click on the follow, one follower increase for the Zoro. And if we go on the following page now, we can see all the posts made by Zoro. We can like here also. So this was our social media platform network.